Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage low blue light settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first, let's click the power button. Here we need to enter the menu, and after that, here we will have it in the picture. So make sure to go over to low blue light, now click on OK. And here you guys can choose your settings. So here we have the first level, second, third, and then fourth. So for me, the first level is okay. It doesn't change much. There's a lot of less blue light and there is a barely noticeable difference. So I feel like this setting is the best, but let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.